Hello everyone. Happy December 16th. Today we celebrate chocolate, Barbie dolls, and the joy of sweet nostalgia. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Chocolate Covered Anything Day, a decadent excuse for indulgence. A great gift could be a chocolate dipping kit, a gourmet chocolate box, or a fondue set. What's your favorite chocolate combo? Let's dip into the comments. It's Barbie and Barney Backlash Day. A humorous nod to pop culture icons. A thoughtful gift could be a retro toy, a parody t-shirt, or a nostalgia book. Which childhood icon do you remember? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 9 days away, and the countdown is dipped in chocolate sweetness. It's National Sports Day. Celebrating teamwork, play, and energy. A sweet gift could be a sports jersey, a fitness tracker, or a game ticket. What's your favorite sport? Let's cheer in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.